On the bench today is a vintage old LCD with a fluorescent or CCFL tube that is dead or dying, so we are going to replace it with a new one. So how do we get this thing apart? Well, obvious first step is to straighten all of these steel tabs. So we can take the circuit board off from the glass. And this one, there are no zebra strips in this one. This one is bonded to the circuit board. The LCD cable down there in the center of the screen is bonded to the circuit board, so you don't want to mess with that. This right here is the CCFL tube. So we are going to desolder its leads right here, and we'll put this new one on in its place. I'm not going to show you the soldering because that's at a separate workstation, but here is the new one. Right here. And we will wrap that one around and solder it in. So I'll be right back. And just like that, we're back with the old one out and the new one in. And obviously the main thing here is when you're bending this over, you don't crack the tube as you're bending this. So you'll notice here that it is not the prettiest solder job. It's not all lined up, but I would prefer to not break the tube and have a little bit of ugly solder than be amazingly artistic and have something that didn't work. So now the only trick really is to reassemble this. It does have some rubbery bits in here that keep it all tight. There's a zebra strip on here. So we're going to give that a little wipe down with some IPA before we go too far. Let's get that, and we'll get a cleaning wipe. And we'll just give this a quick wipe down to promote contact. All right. Now, in with the little clippity-doos. Without breaking them, hopefully. We have to give that one a little help down here. Okay. And back with my little pliers to do the twist. My big hand's in the way. All right, and that's a replacement of a CCFL backlight tube. Thanks for watching.